Hello world, PDR coming at you here with an 08 Toyota, what is it, a little RAV4. It's a RAV4. I gotta look at the car. I thought it was a Highlander, it's a RAV4. Beautiful 08, 10-year-old car, but it has that on the fender. This is what we'd consider a collision. I think it has a little nick down here from whatever occurred. I just buffed it off, gained some access underneath this plastic so I can basically reach up here and feel it. It's a nice warm day. It's about 90 degrees out, and if we look right up here, we can see that this panel without any heat on it is sitting at 120, 121. Okay, so it's already pretty darn hot, and I don't think I'm going to do any manual pushing on it. Let me just check the tensity of it. Yeah, it doesn't want to move yet, so what I'm going to do is take this right here and get in on it. And actually just, I want to have my hand right up on where I want to push. So I am going to start in the most severe spot. I wouldn't suggest that, but there we go. Got a little bit to pop out. And now looking up into this top crown area, what I want to do is just bring some of that dent out. At this point in the videos, when I say I sure do appreciate everybody clicking on this video, I really do. If you guys would hit that subscribe button, ow, it really helps out, makes us happy. That is hot. That is a hot knee pad. Okay, so now we've got this lower area that definitely needs to be taken out slowly, which is what I'm doing right now. Just getting right up on that edge. R32 tip. Taking some more of that out. Now I'm going to come up above this edge. And it looks like I'm working it fast, but I'm taking my time with it. Sweat's just dripping off me. I'm right on that body line now, guys. And I'm gonna move the board a little bit more so I can see this bottom fascia. And this is being the style of dent it is, definitely said it's not gonna be 100%. I'm hoping for 80% on this one. And I think if we look at it right now, it's at about 40 or 50. It's going to take some time. We won't be able to keep you in for the whole entire dent, obviously, on this one. And I might need to adjust my shading, lighting, whatever I need to do. But let me just get up here and make some good pushes and sew this dent up a little bit. Right where I need to. So yeah, I think no glue pulling on this one. It's a little too severe, let alone it's 10-year-old paint. I don't quite know if it's factory paint or not. Our goal is to get this dent out without cracking any of this gold, champagne, silver color. Which is highly metallic, obviously, you know, has more metallic in it than probably any other paint. And I'm just going to take my time right now. I'm going to get some of this brow down, guys. This brow where it's just tightened in. Most of the damage got pushed right into this brow. So I think, I don't know how far we are in on the video, but I think what I'm going to do is work on this for a bit, and we'll come back to you in a bit and show you some progress. Okay guys, here's what we ended up with. I've probably got a little bit more to do on tapping. Probably going to tap this little guy right here. but I think we're gonna call the video, like, where is that little high spot? Just right there. I think we're gonna give it a little bit of a tap right here. But as far as what we wanted to get and what we got, 80%, quick fix, getting it out without any crazy cracked paint or push marks. And I gotta reiterate, guys, on a color like this is highly metallic paint. Whether it's 10 years old or brand new, it doesn't matter. It's gonna want to crack if you don't keep it super warm. We kept this at 120 plus the whole time, every single push. You guys saw the first 5 minutes of my pushes. They were done with this. After I got into some of the finer work on the edges here, I had to get my number 1 out there and just go straight metal to metal and do what I do best and really tool it out. But other than just putting this thing back together, I wanted to show you there was another little crease right here by my head. And we can even do that one maybe on camera right now. Let's just show you. Yeah, it's so slight. I don't know if you can see it, but I saw it when I was looking down my board. It's right there. And what I'll do is I'll just go sneaky with number 1. If you want to see this little one be done in like 2 pushes, it's just, I'm leaning into it, metal to metal. Is it gone? Yeah, I think it is. It was a weird little one. A little creased line like somebody hit it with a door, but yeah, it just takes a little bit of straightening out, and I noticed that one, so I wasn't gonna leave a dent on the car. But I hope you guys liked this video. It was sure fun. It was a super nice car for a super nice person. I wanted to make it real right. The fact that it's about 100 degrees out made it kind of tough, but it actually helped me with the metal. It kept it super warm, and it's got a little bit of a wave to it. It's slightly waving, but that's what I'll say on the outro is, you know, guys, if you liked it, give me a share it with your social medias, and hit it up with a like. And we sure love all the people that leave comments. We answer them all if we can, and keep them positive is what wifey's saying. Anyways, on that note, this has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.